And now, the slow travel journey continues on the Thinking Man's channel. Alright, y'all, we're about to get lit tonight. So to get right, you gotta feel right. That means you gotta look right. So we're gonna spend the morning first, hitting up a little local spot, grab some stuff to look good, then hop over to the mall right here, do the same, look around, grab a few items. Which, by the way, this reminds me, let me ask you guys, right? How is it that we have convinced men to carry our purse, basically, by calling it our man bag? Or is he carrying the girl's bag? You let me know. Of course, we gotta hop over, grab a Starbucks. Just feels right. Then we gonna wander the rest of the mall just to check things out, right? Now, the overall goal is to look good, smell even better, and pass the time of the day, enjoying having a good time, looking at some beautiful scenes, and then get some good food, of course, before hitting the club later on to enjoy that craziness. Ladies and germs, Rich's Method, back at it again. Go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free. Hit the like, drop a comment below, share the videos. Check the comments and the description below. I have links to ebooks on the dating cheat sheet, financial cheat sheet, the how to get remote work cheat sheet, and a link to the camera that I use, all pinned in the comments below. Go check it out. So, let's go. You know, the Dominican Republic is the Caribbean, man, so it's always blazing hot. Especially right now during this time of the year, it's even hotter. So you got to stop by Bonn. It's only right. Plus, the scenery at every Bonn is usually pretty damn good. All right, after you work up a little bit of appetite, though, because you walked all around, you got to hit up the cafeteria. Cafeteria got good food, Americanized, otherwise, and everybody's up there chilling usually. Or you could hit this little restaurant right here, get some good food. But what I typically want to do, hit lunch over here at the mall, walk around after, again, see some good sights, chill at the mall a little bit more before sliding over to, the next joint to do, I guess you would say, dinner, right? But let me tell you, man, you clearly do have to watch the fatty fried foods that people eat in the Dominican Republic. For me, I hit up Avenue Expat and I eat healthy. So you got that enchilada right there. You got some yuca, which we call cassava. Of course, you got great views right here of the ocean. And you're gonna wait for this to get late at nighttime. But we got some time, it's dead right now, so I'm gonna jump over to some local spots. I'm a pregame. Of course, I got the food in my belly. I'm gonna start some drinks, got my rum, my Coke, and you gotta have that cup with ice. Un vaso con hielo when you're over here. No, you're not doing it right to the Dominican way if you ain't get some chicharron in your stomach before the next round of drinks, right? So you gotta hit up that chicharron light spot, then you roll out to the main strip, Avenue España. Now my goal this time is not to do the Malecon, so I ain't gonna cross the road. What I'm gonna do instead is hit up the clubs, man. And this time we gonna do Mixer. There we go. The famous Mixer, Santo Domingo. Let's enjoy, man. Of course, you're gonna hit up to the copyright music, so I'm gonna have to get a little creative with this. But I want you guys to enjoy the little scenery. Don't forget, payhip.com/RichesMethod Media. Help yourself to them ebooks on financial freedom, how to date, how to watch your money, how to be safe while you're abroad, as well as how to get them online jobs so you can be free enough to enjoy this kind of lifestyle, man. Payhip.com/RichesMethod. If you want to support the channel just because, hit the Cash App. know, some of y'all might wonder if there's cover charges in these kind of places. No, unless it's some kind of special artist or something. I've actually never encountered a spot between Puerto Plata, Sosua, Cabarete, Las Terrenas, or Santo Domingo, and Santiago, by the way, where there was any cover charge to get in the door, right? And on top of that, in this spot tonight, the hookahs was about like or shisha if you're from Africa, was about 1,200 pesos, which is about like 20 bucks basically, right? They are very good. They last a very long time. Be careful if they refresh it for you. You're going to pay, I think, between 600 peso to 800 pesos. So just be aware that could drive up your costs. Security is very friendly. They will check the hell out of you though, so you're safe and you can enjoy, man. Tonight, actually, right here, they got a other than the riding of the bulls with the girls, there's a dude doing a magic show. So typically, this is a Sunday night. They'll do different kind of shows, and they'll close about 2 o'clock in the morning.